429 in Cinema, right? Or Sorrento? Well, my mom was right. Mama said, oh my God. Mama said I hadn't seen anything yet. Mama, you was right. Look at that. Somebody's here in the middle of on the side of the road there. Porch, I mean. Oh, I still smell it. Poor people. You can tell they have just now started the cleaning up. Oh my God, Richard, I thought Mama's was bad. This is the whole city. There was a whole rug, just I can't believe somebody's porch was just on the side of the road. It just, I ain't never seen nothing like this. I hope I never do again either.